Hey guys, it's David.
And hi, it's Harmony. We are drinking some lovely water with lemon because we had a little bit of a late night.
Love that.
So it's a perfect time to tell you about one of the products that you're receiving in your September Play by Sephora box. And it's the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. And it's all about hydration and making yourself look like you can fake 8 hours of sleep. And so we also wanted to take the time just to kind of share some of our favorite late night tips. First things first, it's what we're doing. We're hydrating with lemon, and that's an amazing antioxidant, and it has anti-inflammatory properties as well. So it's gonna help you with puffiness, redness. It's gonna help kind of reset and detox a little bit.
So my tip, my go-to is moisturizing face masks. I really think that in the morning when you're feeling that you hadn't had enough sleep, a little bit of an extra moisturizing face mask is just gonna plump the skin up nicely. It's gonna give it that glow back that you might have been missing. So to me, that's the easiest, simplest go-to.
Totally. I love sheet masks for this reason, and I love putting the sheet mask on and then adding ice to the mix. So like a cold compress, or like being able to like place it directly over and kind of, and it'll kind of take care of some puffiness while adding moisture. And another thing I like to do is face massage. And as far as like puffiness under the eyes, underneath the eyebrow, temples, especially if you're feeling a little bit shaky there, just being able to move things around and feeling a little bit more awake and alive.
Okay, and let's bring it back to why we are here. So it's all about a good primer, and this one, the Too Faced Replenishing Face Primer, is your key go-to beauty item on those rougher mornings. You want a primer that's gonna hydrate the skin. This is filled with coconut water. It's gonna plump the skin up, and it's gonna get your skin prepared for any foundation that you put on top. Even if it's a matte foundation, on these days especially, you wanna make sure you are putting as much hydration on that skin as possible. It's really necessary. And if you look, it even looks like I just put a moisturizer on.
Yeah, no, it's beautiful. It's
you
glowy
know,
and just like,
it's glowing,
moisturized.
it's plumped up, it's beautiful. That's why this is such a key element on a rougher morning.
Okay, so now that you're primed and prepped, do you have any go-to makeup tips for somebody that's feeling maybe a little less than 100%?
Just throw on a bright lip. It's a very brightening thing to the complexion to have like a red or a hot pink or an orange lip on. It just wakes you up, it makes you look more alive and polished, and it's really easy to do. Okay guys, well hopefully this was helpful to you, especially on your rougher mornings. This may save you some time. But until next time guys, take care. Bye.
Bye.